Monique Walker here with RE/MAX Excalibur, and I'd like to introduce to you my trusted loan officer for the last 7 years, Tom Ross with Nova
Hello.
Home Loans. So I'd like to talk about today, Tom, why right now is the best time to refinance, and what type of homeowner should be considering refinancing right now.
So why today is the best time to refinance is because you've got the federal government printing money like crazy solely for the reason of pushing our interest rates down, and boy is it working. Currently, anybody who has a 4% or higher interest rate on their loan and either wants to save money monthly or simply wants to shorten the term and pay your house off faster, you guys should all absolutely be taking a look to see if you could refinance right now. First thing you need to do is contact Monique and find out what an approximate range of value for your house is. The second thing you need to do is contact somebody like me, Tom Ross at Nova, or a trusted lender that you have to find out, is there any benefit to you in your situation right now in refinancing. But if you've got a 4% or higher interest rate, you need to take action immediately on that.
Okay, perfect. So 4% or higher, you're going to call us. And then two, I wanted to educate everybody, what can we expect to get as a 15-year or maybe like a 30-year fixed?
So 15-year and 30-year right now, and mortgage rates change. They fluctuate up and down like the stock market.
Right.
However, kind of the economically where we are right now, what you're seeing in the 30-year rates is, if you're buying a house, probably in the low to mid 3% range. Okay, and on a 15-year, if you're buying a house, you're going to see probably on the high 2% range up into the low 3s. Okay, and the reason why I say like when you're buying a house versus refinancing is because the way I like to do refinance is the best way to do refinance is a no-cost refinance. Now that doesn't mean that there aren't costs that are associated, right? It's just like a purchase, right? You're still going to have the same kind of closing costs. What happens though is, let's say for example, if you're buying a house and you can get a 3.25% interest rate on a 30-year, you may not want to do that because then there's all these costs that you have to pay. So what you may do instead is say, I'll take a 3.5%, and then all of a sudden, now you're saving money and it's pure profit. There's no repayment period for it. So it's the best way to refinance. Protect your equity at all costs. And make sure to get a hold of Monique, find out what your house is worth, and I'm happy to provide scenarios for you based on what your family's goals are.
So it's a great opportunity right now to do that. So call us. You see our number below. Monique Walker with RE/MAX Excalibur at 602-413-8195. And then I'll have you talk to Tom, which Tom's number is?
602-791-5861 is my cell.
Excellent. All right. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.